The nation's top health experts also say that things are going to get worse before they get better. John Fenolio joining us live in the studio tonight. He has details. John?
Public health officials have been warning for weeks what we are now seeing here at home and across the country. Schools, businesses, bars, and clubs are closing to limit the spread of coronavirus. Testing kits for those who need them remain a critical problem, despite White House promises that more are on the way. Tonight, the U.S. is shutting down to save itself.
Beautiful day outside.
As the number of coronavirus infections all but doubles across the nation in just 24 hours, President Trump is again urging calm.
You don't have to buy so much. Take it easy. Just relax. They're buying more than they buy at Christmas. Relax. We're doing great. It all will pass.
But moments later, the president's own coronavirus task force contradicted him with a much less rosy outlook.
The worst is yet ahead for us. It is how we respond to that challenge that's going to determine what the ultimate endpoint is going to be.
The number of cases across the U.S. surging to more than 3,400, at least 66 dead. The numbers growing by the hour. Those most at risk, adults over 60 and immunocompromised individuals. Public health officials urging people to practice social distancing to slow the transmission rate. The CDC recommending no gatherings of 50 people or more for the next 8 weeks. Responding to the economic fallout, the Federal Reserve slashing interest rates to nearly zero and announcing it will buy at least $700 billion of government bonds and mortgage-backed securities.
And I want to congratulate the Federal Reserve.
In California, more than 400 confirmed cases and 6 deaths. Governor Gavin Newsom announcing sweeping new efforts to blunt the spread.
We are calling for the home isolation of all seniors in the state of California. We are calling for the home isolation of all of those 65 years and older and those with chronic conditions. We are directing that all bars, nightclubs, wineries, brew pubs, and the like be closed in the state of California.
Newsom also calling for restaurants to reduce capacity by half while allowing city leaders to implement additional restrictions.
Consideration, nonetheless, is to socially distance patrons within these establishments.
Shutting down for the sake of us all.
For a while, life is not going to be the way it used to be in the United States. We have to just accept that if we want to do what's best for the American public. People sometimes think that you're overreacting. I like it when people are thinking I'm overreacting because that means we're doing it just right.
Here are the number of cases locally. LA County now has 69, Orange and Riverside counties 14 each. San Bernardino and Ventura counties each have 1 case. More than 400 cases here in California, up more than 18% from yesterday. All of these numbers are expected to grow. Health officials say your best defense is to limit your interactions with the public and regularly wash your hands. Back to you.
All right, John.